Hello and welcome to your Global Software News Briefing for Tuesday, March 24, 2026. Building on yesterday's themes of decentralized mesh intelligence, the last 24 hours have seen a massive surge in hardware-software convergence. As AI models become more specialized, software giants are increasingly purchasing or partnering with custom silicon and edge hardware firms to ensure their code runs with maximum efficiency. As always, make sure to read the full news stories via the links in the video description. Let's get into today's top updates. It's a big day for strategic acquisitions. First, Google Cloud has finalized the acquisition of PhotonCore in a deal valued at $1.6 billion. PhotonCore specializes in optical computing software, and Google plans to integrate this into Vertex AI to allow for near-instantaneous data transfer between global data centers using light-based logic. Next, Adobe has acquired Typeface AI for $310 million. This adds advanced personalized brand voice capabilities to Adobe Gen Studio, enabling enterprise software to generate marketing copy that perfectly mimics a company's historical tone. Finally, Cisco has integrated PacketGuard into its security stack. This provides a new automated layer that uses AI to predict DDoS attacks before they can even saturate a network. The job market is shifting alongside these technical changes. Meta announced a 3% reduction in its general social media maintenance division, roughly 2,000 roles, but is simultaneously opening 800 new positions for spatial systems architects to lead the integration of AI agents into wearable AR hardware. GitHub confirmed a 1.5% staff cut in its manual documentation teams. The company is pivoting toward automated documentation engineers, hiring specialists who can build AI tools that write and update technical docs in real time. According to Glassdoor data, we are seeing a silicon software talent war. Salaries for full-stack hardware engineers have spiked 50% this quarter alone, those rare birds who can write both low-level firmware and high-level AI code. In the world of R&D, Google DeepMind unveiled Alpha Geometry 2. This AI successfully solved 100% of the geometry problems from the last International Mathematical Olympiad. Notably, it uses a neuro-symbolic approach that provides human-readable proofs for every single step. OpenAI researchers demonstrated an experimental video-to-code model. It can watch a video of a software interface and automatically generate the React or Next.js code required to rebuild that exact UI from scratch. Meanwhile, NVIDIA released a breakthrough in neural compression. Their new algorithm allows 4K video streams to be compressed into 1/10 the original size without any visible loss in quality, using AI to reconstruct missing pixels on the fly. Product launches today are focusing on hardware efficiency. Microsoft released Windows 12.5, the NPU edition. This major update shifts over 60% of OS tasks, like search, file indexing, and UI animations, to the device's neural processing unit, significantly increasing battery life for newer laptops. Snowflake launched Polaris, a new decentralized data catalog. This allows companies to share data across different cloud providers without ever having to move the physical files. And GitHub has moved Copilot extensions to general availability. This allows third-party tools to integrate their specialized knowledge directly into the Copilot chat interface. Partnerships are taking center stage. Apple and OpenAI announced a landmark technical partnership to run a specialized version of GPT-5 on Apple's own silicon servers. This ensures that user data used for high-level reasoning is never visible to OpenAI. AWS and NVIDIA have announced the completion of Phase 2 for Project Seba. It is now the world's fastest AI supercomputer available for public rental, featuring over 65,000 Grace Blackwell GPUs. Additionally, the Linux Foundation launched the Open Source AI Gateway. This initiative aims to create a universal, open-source API that allows software to switch between different LLMs with a single line of code. We close with some critical security warnings. CrowdStrike issued an alert regarding the firmware Ghost vulnerability. This exploit allows malicious AI-generated code to hide within a laptop's battery firmware, making it completely invisible to traditional antivirus software. Bitdefender released a new deepfake scanner browser extension that uses AI to flag synthetic audio in YouTube videos and social media clips in real time. Lastly, developers should be aware of the NPU overheat bug found in a common Python ML library. It causes specific AI workloads to run the NPU at maximum capacity indefinitely, which could potentially shorten your hardware's lifespan. That covers your briefing for March 24, 2026. Stay ahead of the curve, keep your firmware patched, and I will see you tomorrow.